Hello there, I'm Mister Maker, and I'm getting ready for my hide-and-seek arty party. I need to mix up some green paint for some messy finger painting. Can you help? Which two colours make green? What lovely gloopy green paint. Thank you. Hey look! I think Scraps and the Shapes want to play hide-and-seek already. All right then, let's close our eyes and count to 10 whilst you help Scraps and the Shapes hide by tapping on them. Good work! They're all hiding. Now you can help me seek. Here are some nice round buttons. I think we might find one of the Shapes hiding here. Can you find him by moving the buttons? Well done! You found Circle! Look at the finger paint trays again. Do they look a bit rectangular to you? I wonder which one rectangle is behind. Can you guess? Found you, rectangle! Great seeking! The sand tray looks a bit funny to me. It looks like there's a lump in it. Can you wipe the sand away to see if anyone's hiding? Well done! Hello, triangle! Here are a lot of tissue paper squares. I wonder if anyone's hiding here. I know. See if you can blow hard enough to blow them all away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Brilliant! It's square. You found all 4 shapes. Now let's look for Scraps. He might be hiding in the doodle tube. Let's find out. Try opening the drawers. Look, he's over there. He's not in this one. Quick, after him. That cheeky Scraps. He's too fast for us. I think we should try something else. Give the doodle tube a good spin. There he is. He was hiding in the paper plates drawer. Look out, Scraps. Oh no, he's torn a hole right through the side of the tent. I hope he's all right. Oh, I'm glad you're okay, Scraps. But we can't have an arty party with a hole in the tent. The mini bakers will be freezing. Don't worry, I've got an arty idea. We'll need some colourful fabric and Scraps. Can you help me trace round Scraps on the fabric? Very arty. Now colour him in. Lovely and very lifelike. Don't you agree, Scraps? There, a perfect fit. You've mended the tent. Thanks for your help. And it's given me another brilliant arty idea. I'm going to cut out loads of outlines of everybody in funky fabrics. Very stylish. Now it's your turn to get creative and stick them up. Great job! There, perfect for a hide-and-seek party. Can you find where me and my friends are hiding? top seeking skills. You found us all. And thanks to you, our hide-and-seek party is ready. There's one thing left to do. Hit the party starter button and get this party started. Where did Circle hide? Behind the paints? In the buttons? In the sand tray? That's right! What was Scrap sitting on when he flew out of the doodle tube? A paper plane? A paper kite? A paper plate? That's right! What colour would you get if you mix yellow and red paint? Purple? Orange? Green? That's right! Where's your favourite hiding place? The end.